Let me ask you something. How often have you seen someone you wanted to talk to, only to let fear or hesitation hold you back? You're not alone. Approaching women can feel intimidating, but what if I told you it doesn't have to be? In this video, I'll teach you practical tips to approach women confidently, authentically, and without any awkwardness. Let's dive in. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. Women can sense authenticity, and that's far more attractive than a rehearsed line or forced charm. Here's the key: confidence starts with your mindset. Instead of worrying about rejection, focus on starting a genuine connection. Remember, you're simply having a conversation, not trying to prove yourself. Before you even say a word, your body is already communicating. Here are 3 tips to master confident body language. 1. Stand tall. Good posture instantly makes you look and feel more confident. 2. Make eye contact. This shows you're engaged and approachable. But don't stare, keep it natural. 3. Smile. A genuine smile can disarm any tension and make you appear friendly and open. Now, what do you say? Forget cheesy pickup lines, they rarely work. Instead, go for something situational. For example, if you're at a coffee shop, that's an interesting book you're reading, would you recommend it? At a party, how do you know the host? Keep it light and easy to respond to. The goal is to start a natural conversation, not impress her with a rehearsed line. Here's a secret. The best way to keep a conversation going is to actually listen. Ask open-ended questions that invite her to share more. For example, what's something you're really passionate about? What's the most interesting thing that happened to you this week? Show genuine curiosity and respond thoughtfully. Women appreciate feeling heard and valued. Let's address the elephant in the room: rejection. It happens to everyone, and it's not the end of the world. If she's not interested, respect her decision and move on gracefully. Say something like, "No worries, it was nice meeting you," and leave with your confidence intact. Remember, rejection isn't personal, it's just a part of life. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Start with small interactions, say hello to a stranger or compliment someone's outfit. These little steps build your confidence and make approaching women feel natural over time. Approaching women confidently is all about being genuine, respectful, and present in the moment. When you shift your focus from impressing her to simply connecting, you'll find that conversations flow more naturally. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more advice on relationships and self-improvement, and share this video with someone who needs a boost of confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.